Hello everybody and welcome to Tiger. We're playing Marvel's Spider-Man on the PS4. Hope you guys are doing well. Today we're diving into the first DLC. We have officially finished the storyline, so make sure you go check that out as well on the channel. And yes, we'll be playing the Heist DLC. Let's go. I'm very much looking forward to this. I'm playing all the DLCs and Miles Morales as we lead up to Spider-Man 2. Saying that, I don't own a PS5, so...
Mary Jane Watson, Associate Editor. Begin research notes. My sources are saying the Magia is mounting a comeback. The old crime families were all but wiped out, until Fisk went away and they started filling the void. The old Dons were working harmoniously for years, but now that there's a power vacuum, there's bound to be a power struggle. It's only a matter of time before one of the families makes a move on the others. Better follow up with my sources in the Force. Hopefully we can stop this crime comeback before it even starts.
I agree. My name is Spider-Man. Nice to meet you.
Hey Pete, I'm working on a story you might be interested in.
The Oscorp expose?
Question, do we get any of the DLCs? No, really? Wow.
New one. It's about the Magia crime families.
The mom? I thought they went out with swing dancing. Both times.
They were in decline, but with Fisk and the demons gone, La Cosa Nostra is making a comeback.
I love it when you talk dirty.
Easy, Tiger. So you know the feds raided the Magia last month?
Sure.
Well, one of the Dons had this lost masterpiece painting called the Maria, and now they're displaying it over at Manhattan Mocha.
And
I have a source who says one of the families is planning to steal it back. Tonight.
sounds like there's more to it than just art appreciation. I'll swing by the museum.
We're just checking out some lovely art. We're just swinging by. Ooh, lovely museum. Let's go! Let's find out what's happening at the museum. I like museums. Museums are pretty dandy, you know, piece of history. Depends on what the museum is. I went to a Roman museum once, that was kind of cool.
MJ, looks like your source was right. There's a small army of goons trying to break in. Stay on the line while I take a closer look.
Just be careful. If those guys are Magia, they play for keeps.
Hurry up, come on. Boss wants that painting. We should have been in and out by now.
You want to try? Be my guest.
Sheesh. Some people do anything to avoid paying full price admission.
What about the guards?
Sneaky, huh?
He's not messing.
And whip.
These guys have to learn to appreciate art during business hours.
Wait, don't I have an ability that kind of lets you be silent or some shit? Yeah, I don't see the point. What I do see the point is whip. Hang on a second, I just realized we don't have all the gadgets. Are you shitting me? Wow, that's redonkulous.
Sleep it off.
What the? Security's tight. We already got those other pieces that we given.
What the hell is that?
Got him! I did that all sneaky then. Boys, that was zig.
I know some of these guys. That's Federico Fratelli and Sal Petrillo.
Those guys are part of Hammerhead's crime family, right? Why would he want the Maria? It doesn't seem like his thing.
I'm gonna look around. Make sure no one got in a different way. I'll let you know if I find anything. Nope, no one got in through here. Hey, what is that? MJ, someone cut a hole in a skylight. I'm gonna check it out.
And what you know, it would be someone you put your penis inside of. I mean, nothing.
So while Hammerhead's guys were trying to break in the front, someone else slipped in through the roof?
Looks that way. No sign of anyone. At all. Shouldn't there be guards here at night?
Yeah, maybe check the security booth near the entrance. There should be cameras there too. They would have seen whoever broke in.
Sure. So,
The security booth's secure. I'd need a palm print to get in.
Any clue about what happened to the guards will be inside. Is there a way to override the lock?
Not without a guard's hand.
Actually, their handprint. If you can't find the guards, maybe you can lift prints from the things they touched.
Oh, yeah, good idea.
Always happy to lend a hand.
Got a handprint. Well, a part of one. Looks like I'll need more.
I like how we've just gone from
Weird.
Spider-Man beating
It's
the
like
crap
the
out of
guards
bad
just
guys,
vanished.
Spider-Man being
Now,
like street
where
cred.
can I find some more partial prints? A flashlight. I can get a partial. Another one. Cool.
We're like detectives over
Trained
here.
guards wouldn't leave their stuff.
Batman's
around
got
this.
nothing on me,
Unless
fool.
they didn't leave voluntarily. I'm more of a dogs playing poker kind of guy. I know there's a print on here. Just need to find it. That might work. And I think 12 down should be karaoke, not kumquat. Okay, I should have enough partials to
That
reconstruct
was
a handprint.
funny.
I should be able to reconfigure the scanner so it takes my data.
Oh yay, one of
If
these.
I bypass the optic sensor, I can upload my own data.
Do we need to add one? Voila! I
Got it.
kick ass.
Transmitting handprint now.
Oh, thank God for that. You burned, bitch.
We're in.
Nice. What do you see?
They're alive. Looks like they were tranquilized. No signs of a struggle. Definitely not Hammerhead style.
So if not Hammerhead, who? Is there a camera feed?
Let me check.
Sorry, Jen, so I'm just gonna check your cameras real
Someone
quick.
switched off camera 5.
Well, that's suspicious.
Let me turn it back on and see what they didn't want anyone looking at. It's pointing at one of the paintings in the exhibit.
That has to be the Maria.
And no one's stolen it yet. I need to see this up close, figure out what's so special about it.
The Maria is a brilliant example of modern pastoral impressionism. The saga of its repeated theft and recovery are almost as intriguing as the artwork itself.
Looks like a pretty normal painting to me.
It is. There's way more valuable stuff in that museum. So why is the Maggia so worked up about this painting?
Hang on, MJ. Someone's coming.
Keep an eye out. Spider-Man could still be here.
Damn it. Got it locked behind security glass. Hey, tell Frank we're gonna need to break out the big guns.
MJ, Hammerhead's guys called in reinforcements. They haven't spotted me yet.
Good. Try to keep it that way.
Come on, we got this. Let's be sneaky about this now, okay? Oh, can I actually get on the vents? Oh my god, that's really helpful. Oh, snaps, huh?
That wasn't the
Literally didn't see that coming.
Now you can't break these and just drop on him. That'd be dope if you could.
You think that sculpture's worth it?
Already? Okay, never mind.
Cops will be here any minute.
The hell with this. Grab what you can and run.
Great. Now they're looting the other art. Gotta stop them before they make it out. There's only one way out of here. The way they came in. Next time, try the gift shop.
Yeah, stop trying to steal stuff.
I can handle this clown.
Come on.
One more will finish you.
Oh, do you mind, kind gentlemen? Right,
How about as a consolation prize, I send you a poster of that piece for your prison?
that's it. Take my arms.
Keep him distracted. I'm almost to the exit.
Cheer up.
Hang on.
Maybe they'll have art classes in prison.
Right, you're a friggin' dog. I'm stuck. Almost
Come here.
there.
Got him.
Stop trying to steal stuff. Have a bench. You look like you need a rest.
Stay down.
Keep him distracted. I'm almost to the exit.
Good taste in art. Poor life choices.
Hang on. Garbage. Get them all. I like how they all steal like similar items. They all have very bland taste.
Peter, you there? You okay?
Yeah, I think I got them all. A lot of art to put back, though.
What about the Maria? This could have all been a distraction.
My thoughts exactly. I'll head back there. Hopefully the glass was thick enough.
Security wall's intact. And bulletproof. Nobody's getting near the Maria anytime soon.
Mission accomplished then?
I hope so.
Yeah, I am gonna have to call you right back.
Why? What's going on?
You look good.
Been working out?
Oh. I mean, you know, a little.
So,
You swinging solo now? Or back with your ex?
That's a lot of questions.
I'm just curious.
Yeah, I hear that's bad for cats.
How about you tell me why you're really here?
I was just waiting for the right moment. Look behind you.
It's a lot more guys, huh?
Rockets? Who brings rockets to a museum?
Have you not met Hammerhead?
Actually, no, not yet. We've been. Have a piece of rubble. And return the favor.
More coming your way, handsome.
Excuse me. I do not like the way you talk about me. I feel sexualized.
Want some of this?
Yeah, dodge that. I dodged that too. Go away. Is she just in there watching? A little creepy. Honestly, she's just stood there watching me.
I'll break you, little man!
Ah, okay. Almost dying. Not cool. Fucking home rockets or something? Fuck me. I fucking dodged it though. I never died during the main game. I fight a bunch of these rocket launchers and I have to do it all over again. Oh, the pain, the agony.
You asked for it. More coming
Fucking
your
get
way,
that.
handsome.
You're out of your way, fast! Watch out!
Come on, we're doing better this time around. Get on, bitch.
Do that!
Okay, do that a little faster.
I like your new tricks.
And I'm tired of your old ones. Weren't you gonna stop stealing art?
Who said I'm here for the art?
What are you doing?
Think you have lives to save.
Not again.
Hey! Help! Ah! 'Cause I got you. 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 '
Nice.
Where'd she go?
Peter, is everything okay?
Sorry, MJ, I just ran into an old friend.
Who?
Trouble.
Damn, some. But just be crazy. You're not cases. Ooh, this is a new suit available. Are we talking DLC? Shit. Oh, look, we can be in that suit. Not that I fucking want to. It's a fucking ugly looking thing, isn't it?
So Black Cat was the one who went in through the roof? She was working with Hammerhead's guys?
Yeah. She was probably watching me the whole time I was in there.
Just tell me you didn't let her get away with the Maria.
She didn't.
Good.
She smashed it and stole a data drive hidden in the frame.
What?
Sorry. So what do you think was on that drive?
Good question. I'll start asking around.
And I guess I'll start following cat prints.
All units, we have reports of an explosion in the vicinity of Times Square and Bryant.
Explosion. Better check it out.
Yeah.
As you probably heard, Spider-Man stopped the crime boss Hammerhead's thugs from robbing the Museum of Contemporary Art. Good for him, right? Wrong! They nearly demolished the place and everything in it!
Of course he does. Of course JJ would sit there and slander me.
Indoors! See, even if you assume good intentions,
Even Spider-Man asked if he would bring rubber launchers into a museum. He even questioned it himself. Okay.
Into an apocalyptic disaster. What good is to save the art from being stolen if you blow it up? Now, I realize this is pretentious navel-gazing.
What's going on? Someone talking.
Looks like another car bomb. Which family set it up this time? Hammerhead again?
Probably. Might be more nearby. Better call in the bomb squad.
Bombs under things? Time to go small. Spider-Man's active. Should be tracking the other bombs. Okay, still a few more out there. The bomb's IR triggers will show up as bright blinking lights. This one's disabled.
Really? You couldn't just let me do that. I see it.
Got it. Just one left.
How big is this thing?
Running out of time to defuse the... just in time.
I didn't even see how much time he had.
Hammerhead's on a mission. Better keep a lookout for more of these around the city.
Or
Hello?
Spider-Man? This is Detective Mackey. I got your number from a friend in the force.
I bet I know which friend. What can I do you for, Detective?
Probably better if we spoke in person. Can you stop by the Greenwich precinct when you get a chance? I hear you like meeting on rooftops.
Sure thing. See you in a few. This'll keep me busy while I wait to hear from MJ. That museum heist was crazy. It's not Black Cat's style to work with guys like Hammerhead. Hope MJ can find out the story behind that data drive.
yes. Doesn't this detective guy actually turn out to be like Black Cat's dad or something, right? Or the original Black Cat?
Spider-Man, over here.
Detective Mackey, I presume?
Thanks for coming. I want to talk to you about the Black Cat.
I plead the fifth.
Not the new cat, the old one, 20 years ago. I worked the case.
Black Cat is a copycat? Huh. What happened to the original?
He died in prison, but we never found all the paintings he stole. I've got a new lead, but the department doesn't want to waste resources on an old case.
Wasting resources is kind of my specialty.
Great.
Yes,
Head to this
he's
location.
got a point.
I'll fill you in on the way.
Sure. Yeah, I'm sure like once you find them all,
I
it
appreciate
is
your help.
like
I'm retiring
assume that
soon,
it's
and this
him.
case is my biggest loose end. So I went through the files to give it one last shot. The old cat preferred to steal art, but right before he got busted, he hit a smoke detector factory.
Smoke detectors? That's random.
Not really. He stole the Americium-241 inside him. We thought he had a buyer for the radioisotopes, but I was watching a movie the other night and saw something that gave me an idea. What if he tagged the paintings he stole with those isotopes in order to help him find them once he got out?
What movie were you watching? Wait, don't tell me. Spoilers.
So I was thinking, if we tracked the isotope, we could find the stolen paintings.
I have a scintillation counter in my suit that should do it. I'll call you if I find anything.
Thanks, Spider-Man. If I can close the books on this one, I can retire in peace.
It's him, you fool.
I think I'm close to one of those stolen paintings. The signal's coming from this power box, but I'm not detecting any electricity. Huh. An art storage tube. Detective, I found a stolen painting. It was hidden in a fake power box.
Yes, I knew it. Leave it there. I'll have someone pick it up. In the meantime, I'll send you some other locations we know Hardy frequented.
Sounds good. Wait, did you say Hardy?
Yeah, the original cat's name was Walter Hardy. I'll pull his files and have more details next time we talk.
Well, I kind of shagged his daughter.
Walter Hardy, the original Black Cat. Felicia Hardy, the Black Cat that I know. This appears to be a family business.
Peter, the police scanner just reported an active shootout around Hudson and North Moor.
Isn't that area controlled by the Mafia?
Yeah, whatever Black Cat stole, it might have just triggered a gang war.
Well, I'm on my way to check it out. Any other updates on the museum heist?
So here's what I got. Nobody knows what was on that drive in the Maria painting. But word is, Hammerhead now has the drive, and the Maggia families are freaked out about it.
Must have been pretty valuable if it made a notorious art thief ignore art.
Wonder why she's working for Hammerhead. She usually flies solo.
Who knows? I stopped trying to figure out Felicia a long time ago.
Felicia, huh? You guys on a first-name basis now?
Well, I mean, I guess, maybe.
Well, let's just keep each other in the loop, okay?
Sorry, Pete, you kind of dumped yourself in that one. And swing and flip.
You youngsters won't recall, but there was an earlier Black Cat. A criminal from the old school. And of course, like everything else these days, they had to reboot it with a woman. Now, no one loves women
Incredibly
more than
sexist.
J. Jonah
Oh,
Jameson.
that's funny. They had to reboot it with the woman. That was sexist, yeah. That was funny. That was actually comedy gold. Ah.
I'm not being subtle. Time to shut this down before someone gets killed.
Oh, do you want to go first off, we'll do this. And then we'll go peekaboo, and then we'll jump this way. Kick. And then have a manhole cover. Have a bin. Have another bin. Boys, I've got a few bins. Like, I'm being serious, like, let's quite off with them. We should really hang out plants more.
Delivery truck. Hope it's those new slippers I ordered.
Spider-Man's just full of quips these days. Oh fuck, minigun! Minigun!
This did not look like that online. I refuse to sign for this package. Oh boy, gang's all here.
Let's just make my life a little easier. Come here, bitch. Nice.
Did I get everyone?
Nice.
Alright, I give up. I get time off if I talk.
You won't if you don't.
Oh, the white-haired chick. She told us to come down here and make some noise.
Sucker bait. And I'm the sucker. Where'd you meet her?
The bodega on Waverly.
MJ, the whole shootout was a distraction. Black Cat set it up to draw police away from Waverly Street.
One of the other Maggia families has a front on Waverly. The Ciceros, I think.
Maybe I can still catch her. Felicia takes her time. She's nothing if not methodical.
Is she now?
I'll keep you posted. There's the bodega. All right, Felicia, where are you?
Dude, you just keep asking for trouble. I'd shut up, man. MJ's only gonna stick around for so long.
Gear. What were you looking at, Felicia? Gotcha.
Nice.
Oh, hey, Spider.
Felicia, the Maggia are no joke. You shouldn't be playing with them.
Oh, but I like to play.
Spider-Man! He's working with the cat. Get him!
Guys, they keep telling you, take a bin.
Steals from the Cicero.
You guys sure do jump to quick conclusions.
Hey, Spider!
Come work for the Cicero family. We'll double Hammerhead's price.
I'm not working for Hammerhead or any other crime family. I'm just wrong place, wrong time.
Come here. Have your minigun back. Give me a weapon. Take a weapon back. Oh, I kind of bit him off the building. I did.
Well, that was fun. Now where's Felicia?
I like watching you. Reminds me of old times.
What's on that drive?
Not entirely sure, to be honest.
Then why are you stealing it?
If I don't, they'll kill my son.
Wait, your son? Damn it. Felicia has a son? Can't be. I mean, it could be, and I could be. No. I'm not gonna think about that right now. MJ, I found the cat, but she got away.
Really? How methodical of her.
She stole another data drive.
So each family has a drive. I wonder what's on them. Did you learn anything else?
Well, not much.
Okay. Sounds like she's helping Hammerhead make a power play on the other crime families.
Which could end badly for everyone.
The last thing the city needs is a gang war. I'll let you know if I turn up any info on those drives.
Like taking his parts from places.
What's up, SM? It's your #1 fan.
Wait a minute. Screwball? Don't tell me you're out of jail.
I sure am, and I brought some of my fans with me. Aren't they just the cutest? They're helping me set up for my new show. In fact, I'd love for you to swing by. TTYL.
Something tells me those guys weren't released for good behavior. Better get over there and check it out.
Screwball for president. I'm calling it. Screwball for effing president.
Attention all units. We have a bomb threat against a VIP Maggio witness. Additional officers requested near Flatiron.
If you followed my career, and of course you have, you know I notched my first big bylines covering the Maggio crime family. The media's declared them dead more than once, but not unlike cockroaches, they always come back.
Oh god,
Just
dude,
like
you
they're
run your
doing
mouth
now.
big time.
I hear
Jesus.
people
You ever get a life? Oh wait, no, of course we don't. It's it's James Jonah Jameson.
Time to put Screwball's fans back behind bars where they belong. Guys, this should be obvious, but working with someone named Screwball was not the best idea.
Bang, stuff like.
One thing hasn't changed. Screwball's getting others to do her dirty work. What were they setting up anyway?
Spider-Man! Wasn't that exciting? Perfect way to kick off my brand new show, starring you!
Sorry, my dance card's full.
Pretty sure you'll make time for this, because if you don't, my fans will get angry and people will die. I just love reality shows, don't you?
Some people do anything for clicks.
I'll be live streaming every moment, so don't screw up. Mwah!
Great. Love Screwball, don't we, guys? Lovely. Really? Wait, do I actually have to click on it? We'll do it, fuck it.
SM! Know what an EMP emitter is? Well, here's an ELI-5. If you don't disable them, they'll knock out power across the city. Oh, and if you don't disable them in the right order, zap! Better hurry.
Bet she's using a binary signal repeater. I can piggyback on it to visualize the right path.
Nice.
I think my webs will disable them.
It's no different to Fight Electro.
Out there, so keep an eye out. If I get a pick at the right time, bonus!
Board now.
EMP down. Gotta stay on the trail.
Come on, let Donkey Kong. Hey, that's good.
Look at that! A photobomb! Better get over there! Derek Dunk's comments. Whoa! Best show ever! Ha! Thanks, Derek!
Obvious.
Well played! Woo! Look at us go! Ah, we've got so many viewers, the stream's getting choppy! I love it! Photo bomb!
Won't let me like.
Yes, yes, yes!
So
Oh, no.
close to perfection.
Makes no sense.
You got less views than a granny with an ice bucket. You're better than that.
Hey, Peter. I might have found Black Cat's next target.
Really? How?
Because according to police dispatch, there was just a burglary matching her MO. I'm sending you the location. Hey, if you find her, don't let her play you again.
Yeah, I'll be on guard. She's... I don't know. She just seems to bring bad luck wherever she goes.
Black Cat brings bad luck? That's a little on the nose, Pete.
Alrighty then, I think I'll leave this one here. I think. It's a good place to leave it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave this video with a like, a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And also hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video. I'll be doing all the DLC, and of course, Mars Morales is not long after. I will be playing some other games in between. I've figured out what sort of or other stuff I want to do. I have been uploading some online gameplay as well, so go check that out on the channel. Don't forget to check out the other channels as well. Raw Passion, I believe, by Form, and I shall see you guys in the next one.